Hello, this is Julia, and she's going to cook something today. And Julia, would you like to tell me what you're cooking today?
I will cook a Ukrainian dish.
What is it? What do you call it?
Deruni.
What is that?
Deruni.
Daruni.
Yes.
Daruni.
Right. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, let's guys, wait and see what she's going to cook. Daruni. The name of the dish is Daruni. So we'll find out later on what she's going to cook and how she's going to cook. So I'm going to record it. And first, she's going to peel the potatoes now. Yeah, she's got a white potatoes and she's peeling the potatoes. So let's see what else she does. Okay, so I'm going to make a video and see what she does. Okay. Here you are, Andre. Andre, what are you doing?
I'm peeling potato.
Right. Here, in this country, men also do the work in the kitchen. It's not just, women, men do as well. So they are going to cook something nice for me today. Let's see. So what they did, they squeezed the potatoes and onions. First they grated and then they squeezed the potatoes and onions. And now they are putting some salt and eggs. How many eggs are you going to put?
I don't know. I'm looking only for the.
Maybe 3, 4, 5?
It depends from the potato.
Okay. So let's see how many eggs she's going to put. She has put 4 at the moment, huh? So let's see. It looks okay. So after eggs, she has put some wheat flour, गेहूं का आटा, and mixing all together.
And 1 spoon of this.
Whey powder. Andrew is saying to put this protein powder. So Andrew has put some, oil in this frying pan. And let's see what is he doing. He's a master chef today, yeah?
Yes.
Andrew, you're our master chef?
Yes.
Yes. Shall I do that? Only listen to me. Yep. Okay. So we are ready now. We have put the, frying pan on the hob.
Добре, а нема моркви, можемо сюди потерти одну моркву.
Вона буде довго.
Andre, you're not going to put any chilies here?
In a plate, but not.
Not here. Maybe you and me can eat chili ones, yeah? Maybe few we can make with chilies.
Ще не нагрілося.
Well, how about that? The last ones, we can put some chilies, which you and me can eat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we can.
The chili flakes. Okay, let's see what is happening now.
It's not.
Not yet. It's not ready yet. It's not hot enough.
Якесь блюдо для.
Could you give me some plate for ready?
Okay, I will give you in a minute. No, not yet. So we're still waiting for oil to, heat up.
Коли дим піде, тоді її треба закладати.
It takes time, a little bit time, yeah. Because it's quite heavy as well. They were saying, it's better to have a, wider pan. Wow, it's done. So,
Here we go.
there we go. Wow. So this is potatoes and onions, basically. Nothing else.
Okay.
And what do you call it again? I forgot the name.
Деруни.
Derume.
Деруни.
Derune. So guys, this is called derune. It's like a pancake made of potatoes and onions and some wheat flour. It looks easy to cook. I'm sure it will be very tasty. Do you eat this at lunchtime or do you eat it in the evening?
Every day.
Every day,
All
really?
around the clock.
Really? So it doesn't matter morning, afternoon, evening. Can you eat it in the morning as well?
No, morning.
No morning. So guys, मॉर्निंग में नहीं खाते हैं इसको सिर्फ लंच और डिनर में खाते हैं और किसी भी टाइम खा सकते हो. Yeah, you can eat any time. Yeah, perfect.
Это грубит. Прошу?
Ты думаешь, что тостированы?
Ну, я не знаю. Ну, посередині ще одна гладь.
А їх потім на 5 хвилин в цей аерогріль протуши. І вони будуть
Wow, she's doing by hand as well. Wow, it's too hot, but she's using the hand as well.
It's Ukrainian woman.
It's not too hot for you?
It's normal for me.
It's no.
Можна було більше
So
посередині.
guys, that looks really delicious. So देखते हैं हम इसके साथ में क्या खाएंगे, ठीक है? So हम बाद में दिखाते हैं आपको और इसके साथ में बन के अभी नियरली रेडी हो गए हैं. So दोनों तरफ से इसको ऐसे सेकना है, गोल्डन ब्राउन करना है और फिर देखते हैं हम किसके साथ खाते हैं, बाद में दिखाते हैं. So guys, it's still cooking and we have cooked this much. So it looks like this and this. So you can see how they look like. Now, that looks yummy. Yummy, yummy. That looks really, really yummy. So guys, this is called Deruni. So it's an Ukrainian, dish. It's called Deruni. And it looks yummy. So guys, मैं देखती हूँ खा के कि कैसा बना हुआ है. So देखते हैं. Let's wait and see. ओके अभी मैं रिकॉर्डिंग भी कर रही हूँ और मैं एक हाथ से खा रही हूँ विच इज़ नॉट नाइस. सो देखते हैं. देखिए मैं या सो आई एम गोइंग टू ईट दिस. आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई एंड देन सी व्हाट इट्स टेस्ट लाइक. ठीक है. सो यम्मी. ऑनेस्टली इट्स रियली नाइस. सो गाइस खाना बहुत अच्छा बना है और ये जो डेकुनी बनाई है इन्होंने बहुत ही टेस्टी है सच में. अगर मैं बनाऊंगी तो मैं इसमें थोड़ा सा चिली, ग्रीन चिली और हरा धनिया और डालूंगी और टू मेक इट मोर टेस्टियर. बट इट्स रियली रियली यमी. और अगर आपको रेसिपी अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ आप लोग भी ट्राई करना. और पर आप अपने हिसाब से मसाले डालना क्योंकि ये लोग यूक्रेन से हैं, ये लोग ज़्यादा मसाले नहीं खाते हैं. पर हम लोग तो इंडियन हैं, हम लोग तो खाएंगे खूब सारे मसाले. सो आप लोग डाल के खाइएगा और जितने भी सारे मसाले, चाट मसाला और एवरीथिंग वो सब डाल के खाइएगा. तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग एंड विल सी यू इन आवर नेक्स्ट व्लॉग. थैंक यू. बाय बाय. टेक केयर.